100 euros a month. That's 1,200 euros a year. For most of us, that's a free holiday or 2 months of rent. And right now, that money is sitting on your grocery store shelves because you aren't shopping with AI. Audio.
Hell nah.
My partner and I used to just wing it at the store. We'd walk in, grab what looked good, and walk out 150 euros poorer. Not anymore. I built a logic chain for Gemini AI that acts as a professional grocery auditor. Today, I'm giving you the exact prompt that found us 28 euros in savings on a single Tuesday run. Traditional budgeting fails because stores are designed to trick your brain.
Of course they do.
Use member-only pricing that hides the true cost, or they place high-margin name brands at eye level. To beat the system, you need a strategist that processes data faster than the store's marketing team. That's where the grocery logistics strategist prompt comes in. Level 1 is the lazy scan. Most people hate typing out lists, so don't.
Winner.
I just take a photo of my mess, chicken scratch and all, and ask Gemini to extract the data. Watch how it transcribes my handwriting into a structured table. It's checking quantities, categories, and even identifying items I might have forgotten based on my usual habits. This one step saves me 15 minutes of planning before I even leave the house. Now we get into the meat of the payback. Phase 2 of our prompt forces Gemini to check local stores like Tesco, Lidl, and Aldi simultaneously. But it doesn't just look at the price tag. It calculates the price per unit. This is crucial. Sometimes the bulk buy is actually more expensive per gram than the smaller bag. Gemini catches that in milliseconds. It also identifies generic store brand alternatives that are chemically identical to the expensive brands we usually grab. By swapping just 4 items on this list for store brands, we saved 11 euros and 40 cents instantly. Finally, the action plan. In 2026, loyalty cards like Lidl Plus or Tesco Clubcard change prices by up to 50%. Our prompt factors these in. It tells us exactly which store to visit for which items. It even suggests a route. Start at store A for these 4 items, then head to store B for the rest. It might sound like a lot of work, but when the AI tells you that a 2-minute drive saves you another 15 euros, that's an hourly rate of 450 euros. You'd be crazy not to take it. The result? For this shop, we saved 28 euros. Doing this once a week is 112 euros a month. Over a year, that's over 1,300 euros for a 2-person household.
I am a winner.
That is the prompt payback. No coupons to cut, no hours spent scrolling through flyers, just 1 prompt and 2 minutes of your time. I've put the full copy-paste version of this logic chain in the pinned comment below. Use it, save your first 20 euros, and come back and tell me about it.